Listen to an announcement about online course system maintenance. Attention students enrolled in online courses. Starting September 15th, access to the learning platform will be unavailable between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. for 7 consecutive days while security upgrades are completed. During this period, assignment deadlines scheduled before 6 a.m. will automatically be extended until noon the same day. However, quizzes that open after 8 a.m. will follow their original schedules. Students planning to submit group projects should coordinate with teammates in advance, as late uploads caused by missed deadlines will not be accepted. Technical support hours will be expanded from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. through September 22nd, and updates will appear on the portal homepage for clarity.